Alright guys, we have this LED headlights. We're gonna go ahead and be installing it on our 2008 Honda Civic, and I'm gonna show you also after we install it the difference from before and after. This one will be the 9006 low beam. Alright, let's get started. Okay, we have this F6C LED headlamp, and let me see what they have here. 9006. Let's go ahead and open it up real quick. Alright, this one is still sealed. Let's go ahead and open it up. And specifications right here. There you go. Most likely we have some little manual inside. Let's go ahead and open this up. There you go. This is what it looks like. And this is the warranty service product manual. Read that one. And let's see what this looks like. Okay, we have this is pretty big fan. All right, a little ballast, built in, smaller one than the older version is, the newer one. All right, that looks good. Check this out. Yeah, this one looks good. That's the connector. I'm gonna go ahead and install this one, see what's the difference in the vehicle itself. Alright, to get started, open the hood. Normally you like to access it under the hood, but this one I'm gonna have a different way to access it. Let's go ahead and turn the headlights on, and might need to put a key on real quick. To make sure it's on. Alright, there you go. So you can see the lights. I only have one on the passenger side, the other one is not working, driver's side. From here, it's the outer side of the bulb, not this one. This is a high beam and this is a low beam, so we're gonna go replace the low beam first, and we have to access that one. So let's go ahead, show you where I'm gonna. Alright guys, let's go ahead install our LED lights. Let's go ahead show you our headlights look like. Let me turn that on. So you can see the driver's side is working and the passenger isn't. So we're gonna go replace both of them, and that's the low beam for it. But that's all we're gonna be replacing because this is a low beam. A couple of things that you can do. We could access, the easiest access is right here by the wheel well, especially on the passenger side. You won't be able to access here because you have the ABS module right in the way. So what we're going to do is access that on the wheel well. However, on the driver's side, we already removed the bracket for the battery, and when you remove this battery here, and then you'll be able to remove this too, the reservoir, the washer reservoir. Let's go ahead and turn this off so it won't be hot. As you can see, this can be accessed, and the windshield wiper reservoir can be pulled out, and that's very accessible. Let's go ahead and remove that. All right, so this is for the driver's side. Let's go ahead. As you can see, I can remove these two, and we are looking for that connector right over there. and that's the one, the low beam. So all you do, just push this a little bit, the battery, and the same thing with the washer reservoir, and that should be very accessible right over there. See that? You go ahead, disconnect, spin it. If you're facing this way, you gotta spin it to counterclockwise, and that should come out. So that one is out, this one is out. Press the tab and that should come out right here. Let me go ahead, grab my new LED bulb, and I think we're just gonna put it here. Let's try one first. It's easier to try one first. And go, and then I'm not gonna go ahead install it. So let's go ahead, just turn on the headlight. See that? Just to test it, if it works, then we can go ahead, put it underneath. And however you remove it, it should be the same way to go in. Let's see. Alright, once we install it, you can zip tie this if you want, and then let's put back the windshield wiper reservoir, and the battery should go back as well. And then we're gonna test that one real quick. What does it look like? Let me turn on light, and that's what it looked like. And that one is busted still, so we're gonna go ahead and replace that now. We go to the other side, and this one we're gonna access it from the wheel well. All right, from here to access from the wheel well, we just have to like pry this, and this is screw here to remove the tip of this bumper, but mine is broken, so it's easier to open it, and then you'll be able to see it down here. Should be that one. Let me get you a light real quick so y'all can see it. So I'll put a light here, and this right there, so that should be very accessible. I'll show you that. I'm gonna go and get there. Right from here, so you can see you'll be able to see that that's the one that we are removing, which I already kind of let me show you, kind of loosened it already. So I'm gonna go to the wheel well to access it. You should be able to see my hand reaching it. So that one, that is out. I'm gonna go ahead, disconnect it from here and install the new one. Alright, this one, putting it back, you should see that the new LED is going back in. Alright, that one is installed and good to go. Alright, that's ready to go. We have this place back, and let's go see what it looks like when we turn on the headlight. That's what it looked like from here. Of course, I'm gonna show you before and after the light at dark. But you see the pattern there? That is pretty good. Even the daylight, you can see the difference. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you what it looked like when it's on before and after. Alright, I'll show you. Here's the headlight that I have, and when it's off, then that's with the lights on, and this is my high beam, and It's not too bright on my low beam. And this one is my left side, I think it's busted. Okay, so this is what it looked like of our OEM factory headlights, low beam on our Honda Civic SI, and that's what's looking at in the wall on my garage. And of course, you can see it's busted headlight on the driver's side. That's the high beam, and let's see what it looked like when we turn off these lights here. Let's see, let's turn it off, and that's what it looked like at night when it's a low beam. And high beam, of course. And let's go ahead check it out with the difference of these after we install the new headlight that we have. All right, so here's what it looked like installed. So that's what it looked like in the wall, and here's what it looked like in front of the car. It's very bright even though my headlamp is foggy. Let's go ahead and put it a test on the road. So that's what it looked like on the road, and still pretty bright outside, but you can tell the difference. If I turn off the light, turn on, off, on. All right, so I hope you like this video, guys. If you have any questions, go ahead, message me below. And also I have a link in this description below if you want to acquire this LED lights. Go ahead, click the link below and you get a discount on it. Thank you for watching. Till next time, peace. Hey guys, thank you for watching my video, and this is the F6C LED bulb. I have a link description below. If you want to grab them, you can get a discount with me. Just go click the button below and save you some money on buying this. They have a bunch of them will fit for your vehicle. Just put your year, model, and it will take care of you.